Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is day 20 of the Leetcode Daily Challenge. I did the weekly ones, right? Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. Let me know what you think about today's problem. But as you can see on my screen, maybe on the upper left side is unbox surprise. You click for 10 extra coins. Yay. What is going on? Why is there like so many things that Anyway, yeah, today's problem is 35, search insert position. As you can see, I've done it at some point recently. So I'm going to do a bonus extra problem that I haven't done yet today after this. So definitely hit the subscribe button if that's what you're into. Okay, so yeah, there are a couple of ways you can do this. Really only a couple, which is binary search, either using the library or not using the library. I think not using the library or using the library, you can do a binary search and then see if that looks up. Otherwise, you could just use this as an opportunity to practice your search. So you can kind of phrase this in a couple of ways. You can say this is a get the index that is, or maybe even another way of saying it is get the first number that is equal to or greater than target, right? Yeah, so let's do that. So we say left is equal to 0, R is equal to right is equal to n, where yeah, n is equal to length of nums, and then basically while left is less than. So let me talk about binary search a little bit. I might have a video on this anyway, but just that the way that I always do it, and I need to kind of get this video out at some point, is that I use inclusive bounds, meaning that basically you have a range and we're searching both left and right, and both numbers are inclusive, that they're possible in the range. The reason why I have n in here is so that it can go, that means that target is bigger than the biggest number. So that's basically why technically, even though this is an inclusive bounds, it has something that drops off in theory. The reason why I like inclusive bound is because then now the search criteria is way more straightforward in that when left is equal to right, then you have a window or a range of one number, and that number is your answer, right? Yeah, so that's basically the idea. And of course, there's some stuff around. I also find it easier to move the bounds, because you're always using inclusive, then you know which pointer you're moving, and the other pointer will be okay. You don't have to worry about anything like that. So yeah, so basically if num sub mid is greater than or equal to target, what does this mean, right? If this is greater than or equal to target, then that means that mid is a possible answer, but we're trying to get a smaller number, right? So that means that right is equal to mid, and then else left is equal to mid plus 1 probably, right? Because we're trying to get smaller or bigger, but then it is too small. So yeah, and then now we just have to just something in my hair. If left, so in this case, when the while loop ends, left is equal to right, so you can say use either one, right? So maybe ends is equal to left or right, it doesn't really matter. If num sub answer is equal to target, then we return answer. Otherwise we return -1, is it? Or does it always exist? Oh, wait. If not, insert the index where it would. I misread this one / I was thinking of another one. So if it doesn't so if it exists, then we return the index. That's fine. Otherwise, we return. So maybe this is a little bit off because I didn't read it. Where it will be inserted. No, this is okay because this is the index in which it is greater than target. So actually, we can just return answer. We don't really need that then. Yeah. Give us a quick submit, and there you go. 1056 day streak. Hopefully I don't have to explain this one too much. Hopefully you've been practicing binary search. If not, this is essentially my template, if you want to call it that. Usually I change this into a function, but basically that's how I always kind of do it. And obviously this is going to be log O of log n for time because we're binary searching, and for space this is just O of 1. We have like 5 variables. Cool. That's what I have for this one. Let me know what you think. Let me know in the comments. And yeah, stay good, stay healthy to good mental health. I'll see y'all later and take care. Bye bye.